Hello viewers,
Welcome to my
hello
channel.
viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful
Today I
Resin.
am making
Please like, share and
beautiful
subscribe to my
bookmark
channel. So I will
for
bring
one of
for
my
you
student
beautiful ideas
with beautiful
about
color
resin
combination,
coaster, wall clock
black,
and resin
golden
jewelry,
and red.
etc.
Please like,
I have
share
seen a
and
video
subscribe to my channel.
about resin
So I
bookmark.
will bring for you beautiful
So
ideas
I
about
decided to
resin
try
keychain,
it myself.
resin jewelry, resin pendant, resin bookmarks, resin coaster,
Very beautiful color combination.
etc.
I am using black acrylic paint and
What a beautiful color combination idea.
golden flecks
I hope you are also
and
like it.
red acrylic paint in epoxy resin.